Hi everyone, welcome to my new video, and today going to show you how to set up APN on our Android device on the latest new Ditto 5G APN settings 2024 but work for all networks. Quick step to setting up our smartphone APN for mobile data access. Let's get started. Go to the settings app on our Android device. Click on SIM card and mobile network. Select our SIM card. Click on access point name. Click on the add or plus button to add a new APN. Enter APN settings, tap the name field, name. Guys, capital letter and small letter very important. Follow the step by steps. Name Ditto D capital letter space networks in capital letter. Tap OK. APN APN 4G.ditto.net small letter not space. Tap OK. Proxy not set, port not set, username username 4G APN @speed 4G APN @speed small letter not space. Tap OK. Password not set, scroll down. Server not set, MMSC. MMSC http://mmsc.ditto.net/mms small letter not space. Tap OK. MMS proxy mms.ditto.net small letter not space. Tap OK. MMS port MMS port 8799 not space. Tap OK. Scroll down. MCC not set, MNC not set. Authentication type. Tap select. APN type. APN type default, MMS, XCAP small letter not space. Tap OK. Scroll down. APN protocol. Third option IP4/IPv6 select. APN roaming protocol. Third option, IP4/IPv6 select. Important settings BRR. Unspecified untick. LTE, HSPAP, HSPA, HSUPA, HSDPA, UMTS, EDGE, GPRS. Scroll down. EHRPD, EVDO_B, EVDO_A, EVDO_0, 1xRTT, IS95B, IS95A. Tap OK. Tap the more icon. Tap Save. Select New APN Ditto Networks. Click the Return Home button. Select any one option. Turn airplane mode on. Wait for 5 seconds. Turn airplane mode off. Option 2. Save this setting and restart our phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like, subscribe to share it with our family and friend.